guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing our series where I'm teaching you everything you need to know about Instagram. In every video we discuss about one feature or something in detail that is going to help you in your Instagram journey. First of all, if you have not watched the previous videos, make sure you watch them because every video is important and every video has got lots of information for you. Second, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I keep sharing lots of information, lots of tutorials and videos. The next thing what you have to do is make sure you comment below and let me know if these videos are actually helpful for you. That is the only way I get to know, right? So make sure you comment below if these videos are helpful, and then only I will be continuing to make these series. It's a lot of efforts, recording, editing, uploading. So if you don't tell me that it is actually useful, I just assume that it's not and you don't want more videos. So make sure you tell me. In this video, we are going to learn about hashtags in detail. So everything you have to know or you should know about hashtags on Instagram, I am telling you in this video. Make sure to watch till the end so that you do not miss any of the important points because we are going to cover everything. But before we start, enjoy some view. I'm lucky to be recording all these videos in these natural spaces because I'm on a trip and I have all these great backgrounds. So enjoy while you can. Let's start. Now, what are the hashtags? Instagram lets you use 30 hashtags. You use the hashtag and add a word, which becomes searchable. Instagram has a search feature where you can search for some words as hashtags. These help your posts, your reels or your videos to rank higher, to get more visibility and be shown to new people. What type of people your accounts will be shown depends on what type of hashtags are you using. Hashtags are also one of the ways where Instagram knows, or you tell Instagram to whom do you want these posts to be shown. So make sure you choose your hashtags wisely. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do that. First of all, you should always have sets of hashtags ready to use. You should not be looking for hashtags when you're trying to post. We all have different sets of hashtags saved on our phone and we use them depending upon what type of post we are sharing. So make a list of all the relevant hashtags and then keep it handy in some notepad or any of the notes app on your phone. Based on your niche, you can use different websites and different platforms. There are many AI platforms and many hashtag generators which will give you an idea about the hashtags being used in your industry or in your niche. You have to make sure you have a list of all those hashtags based on popularity and usage. Which hashtags are being used the most and which are being used the least. You have to make list accordingly. These are the top used, moderately used and less used. The reason I'm telling you to make it as per their usage is because we use a mix of these. If you think you will use all the top hashtags and your account will be reachable, that's wrong. Because that hashtag is being used by more people. That means higher competition. And that means it's more difficult to rank on those hashtags. You have higher chances of ranking better if you use less used hashtags or moderate or mediumly used hashtags. And this is why we use a mix. You only use 2 to 3 of mostly used or top hashtags, 5 to 8 of moderate, and then you can add the least used. You can also consider creating branded hashtags, which is specifically for you. For example, you must have seen I have a hashtag artistic ruja that I use in all of my posts. What is the benefit? First, it is helping me establish as a brand myself. Second, whenever an artist tries to use any art hashtag or searches for an art hashtag, my posts have higher chances of being recommended in the search results. That's why you should always have a branded hashtag. But also include some of your niche words or keywords. For example, if you are mandala artist, include mandala in your branded hashtag. You also have to make sure the hashtag that you are choosing for yourself is not being used by anyone else. Otherwise, your audience will get divided. You should also use location-based hashtags. Whatever is your location, it can be your country, it can be your city, it can be your state. But you always have to use location-based hashtags. Location-based hashtags help you rank higher when someone in that area is searching for that kind of service. So for example, if you are a mandala artist from Mumbai and you have used such hashtags which make mandala and Mumbai come together, that means if any person will search from Mumbai or mandala classes in Mumbai, mandala artist in Mumbai, your posts have chances of being shown in the search results because you have used. Another way is that people actually look for those hashtags. If I'm a client and I'm from Bangalore, I want an acrylic painting, I can easily go on Instagram or Google and search for acrylic painters in Bangalore, acrylic painting artist from Bangalore, canvas artist in Bangalore. So people actually search for services around them. So you have to make sure you are using location-based hashtags in your posts. Do not use any of the spammy or stupid hashtags. I call them stupid because they are of no use. Like for like, comment for comment, follow back, hashtag comments for comments, follow for follow. No. You have to understand what are you trying to do. First of all, nobody is searching for like. Nobody is searching for comment. Okay, those hashtags are useless. It makes you feel that it's useful or it may increase your likes and comments, but it doesn't. So stop using that hashtags first of all. Second, let's take an example that okay, it improves something. Do you want to improve your likes or do you want to get clients? I'm sure you want to get clients. And any client is not looking for like or comment for comment. They will never search for that. If you are looking for a painting, you will never go online and search like for like, comment for comment. So these are stupid hashtags. They are of no use, so you have to stop using them right away. First of all, do not use all hashtags which are very lengthy. People do not search for those keywords. Your hashtags should be short, precise, and to the point. Acrylic artist living in Bangalore. No, you can simply write acrylic artist Bangalore. That's it. You do not have to write A and the or any extra verbs or punctuations. No, you have to make it short and concise, and it will work the same. You also can mix up different hashtag lengths. You can use some short and some long. For example, you can use mandala, and you can also use mandala artist, and then you can use mandala artist Bangalore. Now you see, these three hashtags are of three different lengths. This is what I mean when you have to mix it up, different hashtags of different lengths. Monitor your hashtags. The next step comes, whatever hashtag you are using, you have to monitor. You have to see if that post did well or not, so that you can analyze if it actually worked and should you be using in future or not. But do not make any judgments or any decision based on just one post performance. Use that hashtag for at least 15 to 20 posts and then see if it is working or not. Also, since we are using sets of hashtags, some may work, some may not. So you have to figure it out which ones you are using and which one is working. You have to mix it up in different posts and then analyze them accordingly. Stay updated with trending hashtags. You can also use trending hashtags, but also, let me correct, based on your post. For example, recently there was this pre-wedding celebration of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. And their wedding hashtags were very popular. They were being searched by a lot of people. So if you create an artwork which is somewhat related to them, inspired by them, and then you use those hashtags, you will get a good reach because that hashtag was trending at that moment. So you have to make sure you use trending hashtags. Independence Day, Republic Day, all these occasions get trending. World Cup, football, FIFA and all, they get trending. Many of the movies or songs or TikTok trends, they have their trending hashtags. So you have to make sure you are updated with the trending hashtags and you use them. But when I say use them, doesn't mean you will use them in your random post. Your post should be relatable to that. So if you are using Independence Day in your post should be something about Independence Day. You cannot have a random mandala and then use a hashtag Independence Day. It may get visible to few people, but those people are not interested in what you are sharing. So that means that hashtag will not work for your post, because the people searching for that hashtag are not interested in it, they are not looking for it, so they will not interact. And with this we come to our last point, updating your hashtag strategy. You have to keep updating your hashtag strategy every now and then. You cannot use the same hashtags which you were using 6 months back or 1 year back. You have to keep updating them, because that's how Instagram works. Make sure you are not using any of the banned hashtags. There is a list of banned hashtags by Instagram and you can easily find it online. You can also use different platforms where you can upload your post or video and they will use AI to suggest you hashtags based on that. You can also use different AI platforms which mix and match different keywords and then give you hashtags to use. So if you are not able to come up with hashtags on your own, make use of all these different websites, make use of all these different platforms, and it's really very easy. It's not that big a deal. But yes, now you'll think that I have told you a lot, but I know many people from this video may want me to give you a list of hashtags. That is not going to work. I have different set of hashtags and I have taught you how to choose your right ones. Now based on this, you have to choose yours. Just because I'm a mural artist, I cannot use hashtags from some other mural artist. It does not work that way. We all have different audience, we are all from different locations, we all use different mediums, and we all have different account reach. That means a set of hashtag which is working for another account does not mean it will work for you as well. So you have to do the research, you have to put in some efforts and then find the right hashtags for you. Nobody is going to give you on a plate served, this is the set of hashtags you can use and your reach will increase. If you ask me, I can give you a list of hashtags, that is not an issue, but it will not work for you, because that's not how it works. The hashtags are specific to posts and accounts. That's why, based on everything that I have taught you in this video, make sure you choose the right hashtags, create different set of hashtags and use them in your post. If you have any questions related to hashtags, any queries, any doubts, make sure to drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Let me know if this video was helpful and if you want me to keep creating more videos on Instagram and continue this series. And I'll see you in the next video.